Hi everyone, it's Anne Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with a Frank Garcia haul, and I hope you were able to take advantage of the Pink Friday sale. When I got the email, I had to jump on it, and I'm super excited because I did not have any of these items, and I needed to get that crafty itch out, and I really didn't buy much for Black Friday. So let's dive into my haul. Obviously, just getting any package from Frank Garcia is like a happy meal on its own. It's beautifully wrapped, and just the aesthetic is just gorgeous. Here's his card. If you wanted a discount code, here you go. Again, 15% off. Use code only pretty things. And I actually took advantage of the kits that he was offering, and I do not have the new Maggie Holmes Marigold collection. So this kit, this is the kit one, and it was $15. Here, it says it right here on the sticker. The regular price is $39. I bought it for $15, and I thought that was a great deal, especially since I don't have any of the pieces, and I had seen a couple of projects being made with this. So then I had FOMO, and then I was like, should I get it? And then I saw the deal, and I was like, okay, let's pick it up. In this first kit, it comes with this. These are all little clips, and I thought maybe I could do these in September before Halloween, maybe in August mail. Definitely love the vibes of this. It kind of reminds me of Flourish, because Flourish also has a lot of dark colors. And I was always hesitant about Flourish, but then I ended up loving it. So I was like, well, let me just get this. I'm just going to do a little quick flip through of the pages. Again, it's definitely a darker tone, but I do love the greens and yellows. I think it makes me like just kind of step out of my comfort zone. And it was so dang affordable, so I just had to jump on it. So I picked up this first kit, and then there was another kit that came with the chipboard and some extra paper and ephemera. And this kit was kit 3, and this originally goes for $28, and I got it for $7. Isn't that a steal? I should have probably bought like multiples, but I'm also trying to be good because I just have too much. Too much beautiful things that I just don't have enough time to make. So here's the gorgeous chipboard. Again, stunning. I just love it. This duck here is a little bit more suntan than I'm not used to, but nonetheless, it is such a beautiful collection. And again, I get another 6x8 paper pad. I get another one of these floral ephemera packs, and then these bows that come. I'm just obsessed with these. These are kind of like a, what do you call this material? Nonetheless, they are gorgeous, and I'm so glad I have a complete, it feels like a complete set. I mean, honestly, like I got the 12x12, the chipboard, the ephemera pieces, you know, and the little accent pieces. And then I'm just going to put this to the side. I also did pick up the sticker pack, and just do a quick little flip through if you haven't seen it. I love these sticker books. First of all, I love adding them to resin. They're just that, like, kind of like clear, acetate-ish, like sticker pieces are so perfect for resin. And when you make charms, again, it's typical Maggie Holmes, beautiful images. I love the black and whites. We have a page of bows, so, and then letters. So again, I love this set, and I'm like, done. I'm done with Marigold. He also included a whole bunch of freebies, so thank you, Frank. I can't believe it. I was like, I didn't order these. So these are some shimmery gold cardstock, and he gave me a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He gave me 5 sheets of this glitter paper, and it is an American Crafts brand. So he definitely hooked me up. It is a really thick gold like cardstock. So I'm super excited. Thank you so much. And then on top of that, he gave me these Minte cut aparts. Look how pretty that is. Super shabby, and that little bunny is adorable. And these bonus sheets that you can just cut out the ephemera pieces, which, I mean, they're just so pretty. Oh my god, I didn't know it was two-sided. So you get to pick, you have to pick which side you want more. They're so pretty, so pretty. And then I did pick up the new With Love Frank Garcia mold, and here are what it looks like. I did take the liberty of pouring resin and demolding, because I think it's a very great visual for me, at least, to know what they look like and how they pour. I've been kind of on the fence with the With Love the collection. I'm just not sure if I'm shabby enough. I love the Christmas collections, but I'm not sure if I'm shabby enough all year round to kind of own this. But the mold is beautiful, and I have to show you. Okay, so I did pour out a couple of the pieces, and I'm just going to take this out. It was a little bit, there were little parts of it that were a little bit difficult, and I'll show you the mold. This little teapot, this little handle, ooh, it was a little hard. This teacup here also, a little bit hard. This frame, a tad bit hard. You just have to go really slow. And I use the white curing resin, and I just thought it would be easiest to kind of keep it a neutral tone. I'm just going to show you the pieces. Here is the frame. So it has like that weird, you're not supposed to fill it all the way up, because this kind of is just supposed to rest right there. This heart, which is a gorgeous piece, and I know that they have like a crepe paper embellishment that he sells in the kit. If you see it here, it's not a really thick piece, but it does have a lot of texture and layer. I'm not sure if you can see that. This Solwan she is so pretty. And I thought I could totally use this for like a Maggie Holmes project or whatever project I wanted to, because she has a bow on her neck, and I'm there for that. I'm just going to show you the teapot. Here's a teapot. Again, super itty bitty. The little handle was a bit of a pain, but I managed to make it work. Here's the teacup, and again, adorable, and I'm there for that. Okay, but these two little itty bitty hearts, oh my god, they are the prim hearts, and they're so little itty bitty, and I love them so much. So again, they are so itty bitty, so you have to be a little bit careful pouring. Just got to go slow and steady. And here is the completed demolded resin version. Chef's kiss. This mold is another winner for me. I love Frank Garcia's mold. Again, I can't wait to do projects with these. And that is it for my haul, you guys. Thanks for watching. I have some upcoming videos, and I can't wait to show you what I've created. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.